Good morning students. In today's class, let's see about the book back exercise of the lesson God and Treasures. Now students, take page number 85 in your English book. Now others, you can see this image. So we are going to see about set going and speaking junction today. Okay. First topic is set going. Now see here, let us find answers from the story. So this is the choose, they are given for you, you have to tick the right one, okay. So what I am writing on the board, you have to tick in that box, okay. So students, have you all remembered the story? So what in who is the character here? The character is the Ravi. He is a 7-year-old boy and he hears a conversation about two chameleons, and next we have seen some more facts about the chameleons and why do they change their color. Next we have he come up with see the butterfly and he describes the butterfly. At last he told that nature is so beautiful and amazing, is it? So this is the story. So I hope you understand the story. So by remembering the story, you have to do the choose also, okay. Now see here, Ravi and his friends are playing in a garden on a dash. What are the options they are given? Spring morning, summer morning, rainy morning, winter morning. So what morning I have told? So it is a summer season. In summer morning only Ravi and his friends are playing in the garden, okay. So the answer is summer morning. So tick in the box summer morning. The next one, B, when Ravi gets tired, he dash. Rest on a bench, sits under the tree, play on a swing, sleeps under the tree. What will come? He sits under the tree. He sits under a mango tree, okay. B, sits under a tree. He sits under a mango tree, okay. Next, C, Ravi hears two dash, okay. Ravi, he hears what? Two dogs barking, two birds creeping, two chameleons talking, two monkeys talking. He hears two chameleons talking, okay. Two chameleons talking, okay. Then D, the little chameleons is worried because, why the little chameleons is worried? His eyes are changing color, the tree is changing color, his body is changing color, the leaves are changing color. Why it is worried? Because his body is changing color, okay. His body is changing color. His body is changing color, okay. His body is changing color. Next one is Ravi runs after the dash. He runs after what? First one is butterfly, second one is bird, third one is rabbit, fourth one is bees. What will come? He runs after the butterflies, okay. He runs after the butterflies, okay. Students, you have to mark in the correct box, okay. So again I am repeating, Ravi and his friends are playing in a garden on a summer morning. Next, when Ravi gets tired, he sits under a tree. Next, Ravi hears two chameleons talking. Next, the little chameleon is worried because his body is changing color. Then next, Ravi runs after the butterflies. So have you marked the tick mark in the right box? Okay, now we shall do the move on to the speaking junction. Students, take page number 86. So in speaking junction, they are given for you the question words, okay. So question words, they always have the what mark? It's the question mark. You have to remember this. This is the mark of the question mark. Okay. Okay. So, what is it, Max? So, in our story, Garden Treasure, what is it, Max? So, this is the question. So, what? The word what is called the question word. You all know that what? What is the question word? Okay. It is mainly used and ask question. What is the word? It will be mainly used for the question. Okay. It will often, okay, this word only, other words also we can use, but more often we will use the word what for the questions. Okay. It is mainly used to ask questions. A few other words that are also used to ask question are who, when, whose, why, which and how. These are the question words. Okay. What are the question words you come across? What, who, when, whose, why, which and how. These are the question words. Okay. Let us see one by one. What does it question about, and also I will give you the example of that. Okay. So, first one, what's the question word we have seen? The first one is what. Okay. The first one is what? What. W-H-A-T. What. They question about, ask for information about something. Okay. For asking information about something, we can ask this question word as what. Okay. What they question about? Ask for information. Okay. Ask for information about something. Okay. Ask for information about something. Okay. What they question about, ask for information about something. If you want to get information about something, we can use this question word what. For example, what is it, Max? It is a question word. They want to give some information. Okay. They are asking some information to others. For that we can use what. What it is, Max. The next example is what is this? What is this? Or what is this? This is the book. For asking an information about something, we can use this question word. Okay. The next one is who. Okay. Who is a question word. Okay. Who. They question about a person. Okay. They question about a person. Who. They question about what? They question about a person. For example, who is calling? Who is calling? My mother is calling. Mother is a person. For the person, you can use who. Next one is when. Okay. Next question word is what? When. When they question about the time. Okay. When they question about the time. So, see, for example, when do you go to school? They are asking about, they question about the time. When do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. Okay, I go to school at 8 o'clock. You will say like this, no? So, for that, how we can ask question? When do you go to school? They are asking about the time. Okay. The next one is whose. Whose. They question about a possession. Okay. Whose. Okay. Whose. They question about, ask about the possession. Ask about possession. Ask about possession. What do you mean by possession? Possession means our belongings. We all know that. Belongings. Possession means belongings. Our own things. That is known as the possession. For whose, they ask about the possession. For example, whose dog is barking outside? Okay. Whose dog is barking outside? You will say the owner of the dog, is it? Whose dog is barking outside? Yes, it's if it's Rani is having a dog means how will say it's Rani's dog. Okay, it's Rani's dog. Like that only you will say no. Whose means our belongings. That is possession, our own things. Okay. So whose dog is barking outside? Okay. The next question word is why. Okay. What is the next question word? Why. Fifth one is why. Why they question about reason. Okay. Why they question about reason or explanation. Why they question about reason or explanation. See, for example, why are you so late? You will say some reason. It's a traffic jam. I get up so late. Okay, my mom did not prepare a lunch as early as possible. Like that you will say one reason, and also you will give the explanation, right? So for that, okay, why they question about reason or explanation. For example, why are you so late? Okay. The next question word is which. Sixth one is which. So which they question about choice or something in particular. Okay, which there may be a choice, this choice. Okay, there may be a choice, or they are asking something in particular. Okay, they question about choice or something in particular. For example, which grade are you in? Grade here refers to standard. Okay, which grade are you in? Can you tell me? Now we are in which grade? You are in second grade. You are in second standard, right? That is the question they are asking. Okay, which grade are you in? You are in second grade. Okay, so which they question about choice or something in particular. Choice or something. Choice or something in particular. Okay, which the question about choice or something in particular. The next one is how. The next question word is how. How. How they question about way, manners. Okay, way, manner. Way, manner. For that we can ask the question word how. For example, now see here, how do I stop the babies from crying? Okay, how do I stop the babies from crying? The babies, they will cry a lot. How do we parents, we mothers only will have the babies, right? Is it? So why when the baby is crying, how do we stop it? Okay, they are asking the way. And they are asking the manner. What are the manner we can do? In what are the ways we can do? We can stop crying the baby. In what way we can do to stop the baby's crying? For that way, manner, we can ask the question how. Example is, how do I stop the baby from crying? Okay. So these are the 7 question words we have seen today, and also we have seen the examples. Okay, so after hyphen I have written no, this is the they question about. In what are the ways they question about? For that I have written. Okay, what they question about? Ask for information about something. If you want to get any information from anything, for something, want to ask what? Okay, what is it, Max? Like that. Okay, then who's they question about the person. For the person we can ask who. Then when they question about the time, so if you want to ask time means you have to ask when. Okay. Then whose, ask about possession. If you want to ask about someone possession, you have to ask whose. Okay. Possession is nothing but it's a belongings, our own things. Okay. Then why we can ask for reason. Okay. For reason, explanation. If we want to ask a reason, explanation, we can question about why. Next one, which they question about choice or something in particular. There's a choice or they are asking something in particular. If that means you have to use the question word which. Then how here they question about way, manner. Okay, for that we can use the how question word. Okay, so these are the 7 question words. So you have to keep in mind. What are the 7 question words? What, who, when, whose, why, which, how. Okay, students, have you clear with the 7 question words? So now we shall do the book exercise. Now students, this is the exercise in the speaking junction. Okay, so fill in the blocks with question words. So this is a blocks, you have to fill in the blocks with the question word. Okay, we have seen the about the question word, no? So we have to fill up with this. Okay, use each question word only once. One is done for you. Have to use the question word only one time only. You should not repeat the question word. Okay, so one example that has been given for you. Now see here, who are your best friends? Okay, so here they are given who. You should not repeat the who in any other block. Okay, so who are your best friend? Who? They are question about the person. Okay, see the next one. So is the playground. Okay, so how we can ask the question? Can you think it over? So where is the playground? Okay, W-H-E-R-E. Okay, where is the playground? The next one is your birthday. They are asking about the birthday date. They are asking. Okay, so what question word will come? Can you guess? When is your birthday? Okay, W-H-E-N, when. Okay, when is your birthday? Then next one, see here, are you always late? Okay, so what question word we can ask? Why? Okay, why are you always late? Okay, why? W-H-Y. Why are you always late? So it's a reason. Okay, they will tell one reason. Okay, for reason and explanation we can use the question word why. The next one, many toys do you have? Okay, so we can ask question how. Okay, H-O-W. How many toys do you have? How many toys do you have? Can you give me the answer? How many toys do you have? Okay. The next one is, school do you go to? Okay. School do you go to? How we can, they are asking something in particular. Which school you are going? They are asking in particular, something in particular. So for that we can ask the question word which. W-H-I-C-H. Okay. Which school do you go to? The last one is, book is this. Book is this means they are asking a question about the possession. For the possession, what question word you have to use? Whose. Okay. Whose means possession. Okay. Ask about the possession, our belongings. It is whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Okay. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Okay. Students, have you all written the question words in the blocks? See here, the question word is not repeated. Okay. In each box they are having the different question words. They are not repeated. Okay. So, who are your best friends? Where is the playground? When is your birthday? Why are you always late? How many toys do you have? Which school do you go to? Whose book is this? Okay. Have you all written the answers in the block? The homework for today is you have to frame the question word. Okay. And also you have to note down the exercise in your book. Thank you, students.